Hello guys, how are you doing? I did the replace of the seal of this pump. It is pump from the manufacturer VAG monoblock model. Always use Vaseline and clean. The maintain shaft is important to clean all the parts, and it is also important to lubricate to facilitate the assembly. It I put the seal in place, and I put this key that has the function of fixing the seal to the shaft, and the cleaning and lubrication procedure is very important. This is screw that fixes the rotor to the shaft. It is important to keep lubricate and clean. This equipment is dry cooler from Mecalor.